Okay, guys. Okay, guys. This is the sky. After the first 15 minutes after I record this video, this is the sky right after it. So, guys, it does look like it's gonna rain. If it starts to rain a little bit, then I might go inside because my tablet is not waterproof, to tell you the truth. You know, I spray with some nice harmless water. I still, okay, so apparently, guys, this is the sky right after the storm started coming in, which is pretty freaky right now. Which is pretty freaky right now. So apparently, we have some clouds over there. Those clouds over there are pretty dark, which looks pretty scary. I don't know. The clouds over there look pretty dark. Like over there, like behind that house right there, it does look pretty dark. So I might go inside after a little bit. Just go in here and check behind my house and see what it is. Okay, so there's some clouds like behind there too. Those look pretty creepy as well. Okay, so as you guys heard right there, that was thunder. So apparently I might go inside for a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go inside now. It's gonna rain, Mom. It's like a boom thunder.
Clean everything out? Bathroom trash everything?
Yes, I did.
Good job.
Okay.
Will you please hurry up and close the door? It's 7, so I'm gonna...
Here it comes. Look. Look at me, crazy boats. Have this crap right here. It's pretty dark outside. It's pretty dark outside, as you can see. This is like an hour before sunset. So this is an hour before sunset. It looks pretty crappy outside. Pretty crappy outside, guys. Look at this. It looks pretty shitty outside. So guys, right now I am inside my house, and I am recording this from the main floor bathroom window here. That seemed really interesting. So like apparently so far there's no thunder or lightning or any rain started up yet. Well there were a couple of rumbles of thunder when I was out there, so pretty much I'm watching out for that. So you guys, I'll record this later and see how this one goes.